Well, we got our base, we got our floor, subfloor, got our walls up. So what's next? The roof. Let's go. All right. Well, I think today's hot enough that we can get to work on the roof. The other day we got the roof mounted up here and the initial screws in. Now we're coming back through and anchoring her down with the brackets. So we're shooting 6 screws through and going all around to mount the choice to the wall brackets and the wall frame. So we sweating a little bit today. See how it goes. Came as part of our kit from wall panel prefab. So we had everything we needed for this. We had all the roof trusses, the walls, and our base for our shed. So it's packaged up and ready to roll. Everything we needed. All right, we're just finishing up the final cuts here on the roof deck, and we'll get these on, and then we'll be ready for our ice and water barrier, and then our roof underlayment will be coming up after that. So we should have this roof wrapped up shortly. All right, so we finished up our roof deck. It's all fastened down. Next, we're going to put down our ice and water barrier on the bottom section here, and then we'll work on our synthetic underlayment after that. Alright, so now we're gonna work on putting on our synthetic underlayment. We actually got a chance here today to work with a Tough Skin 20 roof underlayment system by Oxen Engineered Products. Really neat product, really high quality underlayment underneath our shingles or our steel roof, whatever we decided to go with here in the end. Really grippy subsurface here, so it's not going to be sliding around on our OSB, and then actually slip safe layer here. So that'll help keep a better grip on the roof while you're working. So underneath our slip resistant walkable surface, we got a UV shielded waterproof layer and a woven reinforced layer within this. So it's actually multiple layers within this sheet. So this should be a real nice product for us to work with, and a really durable underlayment. Let's see how it goes. We're having Logan pound in some of our plastic cap grip nails here, and we're laying them heavy on the marks because might be a few days until we're able to get our actual roof on here. So for the instructions, if there's going to be a little bit of a delay, if you're not going to be roofing right away, you put in fasteners, more fasteners. The roof, we're going to put the tin on the roof today, and you don't know Jack, but fortunately for me, I do, and he's here to help with our roof today. So, Jack.
Yep.